Families who send their children to private schools say they felt blindsided by Dane County's Executive Order 9, which orders them to start the year remotely. The order was issued on Friday night and requires all county schools to start the school year with all virtual learning for grades 3 through 12. Adam Duxter joins us with why parents say tonight private schools should not be held to the same standards as public schools.
Well, Amanda, parents from the private schools I talked to with today say even before the pandemic, their schools were doing everything they could to decrease class sizes, but planning a return to the classroom have taken even more precautions to protect health and safety of students and staff. Yet just days before everyone was due back, they found out it wasn't enough.
I was mad. I was really mad. They didn't give anyone a chance.
Sarah Gonnering says the news her kids couldn't return to the classroom this fall took her by surprise.
When we have done so much to meet their expectations and to meet the criteria that they've come up with, and to not even give the teachers and administrators a chance to educate our kids, it just doesn't seem fair.
Gonnering's children attend St. Ambrose Academy and St. John the Baptist, and following an executive order from Dane County, will start the year online. It didn't matter. St. Ambrose had just invested in another building to essentially split its 115-person student body in half.
We felt that we would be safe. We would be able to keep our students socially distanced at all times.
Today we heard from parents representing 4 different Dane County private schools, including Cindy Carlson and Carrie Hageman, 2 physicians who send their kids to Blessed Sacrament. They say they're in support of public health, but also consider classroom learning essential.
In pediatrics, we know that kids are harmed, families are harmed without in-person education. We're seeing more accidental and non-accidental trauma, anxiety and depression, and their education is harmed.
Gonnering says virtual learning makes sense for large districts that would be cramming kids into hallways and classrooms, but adds her schools wouldn't be doing that to begin with.
Private schools have much smaller environment. We are able to social distance and create smaller class sizes within our walls that public schools just can't accommodate.
We also contacted Public Health Madison-Dane County, as well as Dane County Executive Joe Parisi as we put this story together, but did not hear back from them. Parents we talked to say they're hopeful they can continue to work out a plan with local officials that would let their children get back into the classroom.
Thank you, Adam.